hindi ka naman nakikinig sa kapwa mo sa society, di ba? Okay? O, at anong alam niya sa pagkaka-lecture niya? Tama ba? Alright. Kaya napakalaking bang challenge na mag-lecture task at mag-aral tungkol sa konsepto.
Hi! Break time namin, pero pabalik na.
Okay, let's now go to the other half of your lecture.
That was the break.
Okay?
We're done.
We're done. We're going home.
Kasi yung lecture today, akala ko magiging boring siya kasi leadership and management, pero it's far from boring. Magaling yung lecture.
Yes.
So, di ba sabi niya, iwan na lang kanya dito. Sabi ko, okay, hindi.
We're at Elgato. It's a very chill bar, I think. And the vibes are so cool. Ang daming cat figurines, mga pop, mga stuff. And this is a thing. I was with my other's friends. And we're still here before we end the night.
Ayaw na.
Kasi, di ba nagiging...
Cute! Hi everyone, it's Monday. It's 4:50, okay, 5 o'clock. I went to a barangay earlier this morning with all of my classmates. And we had an ocular visit to different barangays assigned to each group in preparation for our community immersion program. And right now I'm doing my requirements for school. I'm going to finish them very, very early so they won't pile up. I won't have backlogs. I'll be advanced and I won't be overwhelmed by future activities that will be assigned to us. Especially now that in our last semester in nursing school, it's very heavy tasks, most of which are duties in the hospital, duties in the community, the barangay. So I'm going to do my best to do our individual tasks earlier so I will be able to focus on these very major things, requirements, and duties that we will be having. Banana. Saan ako na pupunta? Sa bahay kami ni Paolo. Vlog! Asan si Chichi?
Blue na lang ba or blue ba?
May aso sila Paolo maliit.
Okay.
Freya. Freya.
Gumagawa kami lahat. Hi, El. Ayun sila. So, ginagawa din doon. Grabe! Kain tayo kutsinta. Nila Paolo.
Kutsinta ni Paolo.
Kutsinta ni Paolo. gutom na ako. Ano si Bella Lotto pa?
Bernard Laura Paki House.
Ala.
Nakita mo na ba ang pag-energy drink? Kaya ba siya malabot?
Oh.
Ikaw, Carla.
Tama, mas effective ang resulta kasi nga,
CIT.
pag mas marami kang kasama, malalaman mo na interested sila, tsaka parang meron silang initiative nga na tumulong. That is mobilization. Hindi lang basta participation, kailangan itong tuloy-tuloy at sustainable. Ang community ay patuloy na nag-o-organize at nagpapatuloy sa mga proyekto.
Lunchtime.
Pwede ba? Hello?
Ano yung nangyari? Why did it break? Okay.
Hindi kasi yung large sa akin.
Tapos na. Patapos pa. Ay, patapos na. Nakapasa ano, 5 o'clock na. Grabe.
Nakakapagod, no? Yes! Lalo na pag pinagloloko lang kayo ng 2 ton, no? No, kidding aside.
Kanina ano kami ng ideal community namin, dinefend namin. Oo nga eh. Tapos, nag-lecture
Pakita
ulit
natin
sila.
kung gano'n siya ka-earthquake proof.
Yeah,
Kasi hinihingi pala ni... Pau, Ella. Hinihingi ni Ayesha yung ambulance. Tsaka yung isang
Maraming
bahay.
salamat sa inyo.
Pwede member lang.
Meeting guys, meeting.
Saan to? Sa IP?
Oo.
Fear the most eh.
Hello. This is my mom. Punta kami ng Quiapo para bumili ng pants. Pero may sakit ako. Hello everyone. Nag-video ako para sa ATN namin. Dapat kagabi siya eh. Pero dahil maingay, hindi ko natapos. Kaya ngayon ko gagawin. Nakaganto na ako. Dapat ata naka-bun pero wala namang criteria na sinabi. Naka-bun. Basta yung ano lang. Creatives. Yun lang. Okay, let's go. Hello, it is I'm at my Ates Conto again. I'm going to study and for tomorrow's long exam and I'm going to do other requirements here. Kasi hindi lang ako sa bahay. My gosh, and I'm still sick. Grabe, sinisipon ako, inuubo ako. Ay, pero pagaling na ako. Yun na. Excuse me. Hello ka. Thank you po. Tadam! Let's go. Oh, guys, look. I have this cup tiramisu. And I'm going to eat it. This is for my merienda. I'm still a little bit sick. It comes and goes. Ewan ko bakit. I need to drink medicine. Pero, let's see.
Done na ang first EDN exam.
The long exam.
It was nice naman.
Yeah.
Manageable.
Anong sagot niyo doon sa true?
It's okay.
True, false.
Sabihin ko bakit?
True. False isa lang.
Loaded tatlo yung
Naka-tactical pad pa kami. EDN, let's go. Hi, Pao. Hi, Aliana.
Ito, bibili ako ng kain ba?
Hello, vlog.
Show your feet.
Disney knees. Disney. This is real. Disaster nursing, guys. Mag-lifting and carrying kami. Aliyah! Lunchtime, babalik pa kami. Tapos na class namin, tapos ngayon mag-Valentine's Day kami. Friends, Valentine's.
Cross, moments unfold, and love stories happen.
Touchdown Makati! May tayo na. Ever.
Buti namin ang buong Pilipinas.
Kasi parang lang pwede mo i-load sa Gomo.
Hi, Nika.
Parang mas marami.
I am Daphne's Valentine.
Aww. The guys at my back.
Si Tracy, meron na tayong
We're done eating. I'm kind.
purposes na sa video.
Sinasabi ko.
You kinda wanna.
Yeah.
Hindi ka muna sa play, nasa pitig.
Sige. Sige, Elias. Sabi ko, but late ko na process na sasapahin daw pala ako.
Sino pa?
Hello. Ending na papasok kasi hindi ko na-realize na mas madali pa lang mag-commute pag umaga. Pag
Yeah.
hapon, traffic na, the Sunday pa. Kaya akala namin late na kami.
Yeah, pero wala pa. Ano oras na? It's 1:14 na, wala pa yung lecture na.
The chocolate's coming!
Happy Valentine's Day!
Si Carla. Si Carla kinain niya nito.
Yun yung kay Carla. We're done.
Parang iba yung natutunan namin today compared sa previous lectures.
Yes.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yung mga view and positions and
Yes.
other stuff. I know more now.
I know more. Learning is exponential.
I love Sir Andrew.
Yes.
Sana lecturer ko na siya always.
Hi, Carla. Uwi na kami.